Okay, so discover the facts. Most people visit Mount Rushmore in the summer. Park rangers talk about the history of the mountain. Visitors can visit the museum to learn more. They can discover facts about the presidents. They can also visit the artist's studio. Mount Rushmore is an important landmark. It is a symbol of our country's history, and it reminds people of 4 great presidents.
Okay, so discover the facts. Most people visit Mount Rushmore in the summer. Parks rangers talk about the history of mountains. Visitors can visit the museum to learn more. They can discover facts about the president. They can also visit the artist's studio. Mount Rushmore is an important landmark. It is a symbol of our country's history, and it reminds people of our 4 great presidents.
Okay, so let's look at this respond to reading. So how can you tell that a mountain of history, so whenever you see something, well, not all the time, but when there's a few words like this in quotation marks, that means that this is the name of this story that we're reading also. So how can you tell that a mountain of history is expository text?
Because it gave information that have real, and
Exactly.
you said that expository stand for information. Well, I don't know what expository.
Yeah, right. Okay, good. So how was the mountain carved into, how was the monument carved into the mountain?
So they use 400 people. So they try to use 400 people to really, help us, but it's carved in some strings, some rope. You just told me before, and the person is sitting here and she just carved it.
Right. Okay, good. How long did it take? Do you remember to carve this?
40 years.
All right. Okay. So find the word blast on page 96. Use clues to figure out what it means. Okay, so let's go.
So I know what blast means. Just like.
All right. Yeah. To explode, right? Okay, so if we look at the word blast, what word in this sentence helps us understand? So if you didn't know what it meant, what word would help you?
What is the monument?
So actually, this is the word that helps us, dynamite. So dynamite is that little powder that you find inside bombs or inside things that explode.
So that means like.
Right, exactly. Okay, and let's look at this last question here. So why do so many people visit monuments and landmarks?
So because it is popular and it's a good place to take photo shoot.
That's
and
true.
You can always remember the 4 presidents.
Right. So a landmark is a symbol of our country's history. So people will want to visit these monuments and landmarks just so they can remember the history of their country.